Welcome to WHUS. Today we're going to talk about a hot topic for crisis intervention, which is how in the world do I navigate MINDTAP? So the first thing that I'm going to do is show you how I typically go into MINDTAP. And for example, we're in week 1 right now, and I might just scroll down and click in an overview of crisis intervention. I'm already logged in. I have everything set for MINDTAP. MINDTAP is very interesting. It can be viewed in a couple of different ways. The first way, you can have everything listed by dates. As you can see, it's listing everything that's due when you hit this option. Or you can have it organized in this way, and it will show you that you have 8 activities. So you would see the overview, you would see the polling activity. What am I learning? Then you would see the quiz that you would need to take. How do I practice what I've learned? There's a video activity for you to do. Chapter 1 exercise for you to do. Chapter 1 case study. Chapter 1 Helper Studio. A point about Helper Studio. Only do the reflection questions. You do not have to upload a video. That is for all chapters. The next reflection activity. What does this mean to me? Same thing if we go into the next chapter, which is chapter 2, because remember we're doubling up, and you can see it's due May 26th. So it just really depends on which way you would like to view MINDTAP. So I can click on the links. Let's say I need to take quiz 2. And you have to give it a moment to load, and it will tell you to start the assignment now, and then you'll have your questions for quiz 2. And quiz 2 will auto grade. There are things like the reflection questions that I will need to manually grade, and I am trying to grade after the due date to give you guys the time to be able to have it done. So I hope that this will be somewhat helpful. I do not have a student view, at least I don't think that I do. I don't, of a grade book, and I cannot show you the grade book. I know it says this, but that's not quite true. But you can open your gradebook and begin to see your grades, what you have so far with D2L and with MINDTAP. That's why I link them together, so you should be able to see that. Again, if you have any questions about MINDTAP, please feel free to give me a call. And my number is 803-774-3303. And you may also email me. And of course, in order to email, you can simply go to class list. And here's my name. Just click on my name, and that will automatically bring up an email there. So I hope that this will be helpful to you. Assignments, other assignments such as your presentation and research paper can be found under assignments. That's where you'll upload them there. And your grades will be here. Attendance is kept here. Those are some ways that you can go in and look at what is going on with your course. I hope that's helpful to you. And until we talk again, this is Wendy Cunningham with WHUS signing out.